This is my stash part 4. 2021. Some stuff paid for, some stuff, free. I worked at a fireworks stand, got paid in fireworks. So, yeah. Got first things first, went to Phantom just because I had a coupon. Any $230 assortment. It was $80, so I bought the Uncle Sam assortment. I lit off some stuff from in here. If you don't know what's in there, you can watch a video of what's in the Uncle Sam assortment. There's many unboxing videos. I got these for free. Some peacemakers, more wacky bats, half brick America's Thunder firecrackers by Firework Predator, and then some more firecrackers by Matador, half brick. Another pack of these peacemakers. Some gator baits. What else was it? What else is in here? I think I got some Saturn batteries in here also. Some Saturn batteries. And yeah, that's pretty much it in that for that. Right. Moving on. I had a coupon for buy one get two free. So I got some of the 5-inch Nishiki shells. Can't find any in my area or nearby for a good price. I figured, $80 get two. That's a good price. Somewhere around 20 something, 20, a little bit over $25 a piece, like 27. I don't know. Not doing the math. I don't feel like it. Yep. Only other place I can get Nishiki cans is Sky King, and they're $80. Buy one get one, or you get it 50% off, which is still $40. So yeah, I just got these instead. They're pretty nice. Great hang time too. I recommend these. Only cans I'll recommend from anything I recommend for Phantom really. These are nice. Great hang time. They're nice. If you can get them, if you can find them, get them. Fuck all that. You know bullshit. Got this free too. Cause I like that one a lot. It was a nice fountain. Gets up there really good too. Doesn't shoot up. I mean, it shoots like in the air, I guess. It gets up there. It's a high fountain. Oranges and grapes. Got this for free from Sheltons. Cause I spent a certain amount of money. I spent like $270, somewhere around that. Yeah. And they gave me 40 something bucks worth of free fireworks. So I picked up oranges and grapes because it was only $13.99. It's not bad. 9 shots, 500 grammer. It's light, but yep. Another thing I got for free because I spent the amount of money. Got koi pond. I really want to light this. We're gonna light this one up tonight for Memorial Day. So yeah, I picked up koi pond. This one would have cost me $13.99, but got it for free, or $13.95. Same price as the oranges and grapes. Okay. Next up from Sheltons, we got these candles. What are they called? Money candles. They're $13.95 by El Toro. Man, stuff from whatchamacallit sounds so weird. Anyway. Also from Sheltons, picked up some 10-shot red, white, and blue candles. These were $10.99, $10.89. $10.89. These rockets are supposed to be really good from what I saw in the video. They're called Fire Demon Rockets. Everything else there just seemed like they're crappy. They have a lot of choices of rockets, but they just didn't seem like they hit. Or like you squeeze it and it just, These you squeeze and they just felt hard. So yeah, I picked these up. I don't really know how much these were. Fire Demon Rockets, but they look good in the video. I got more of these Toro Bombs. Got lit off my last package. These are really freaking nice. I like these a lot. They just go off. They're just firecrackers that go off really fast. I like these though. Got another box of those. So I'm running low on bottle rockets. I got some Mobster Rockets. Those are like $5.95 or something. And then I got some Warpath Rockets. Those are $4.95. Normal bottle rockets. I don't really like these rockets are Mad Hornet, but Mad Hornet and bottle rockets suck. So that's just my opinion. I wanted to try those out. I usually just get the Moon Traveler ones. They never felt me. But anyway, I got some cheapo cider missile battery, 25 shot. This was a $4.19, basically $1 each. Got another brick. Got some more of these China doll crackers. This one's a brick. Lady fingers. I let off my last half brick of lady fingers already. And over here we got some Alien Assorted color smokes. These are $20, $19.99. Color smokes. I got this Night Menace candle. I swear I had 2 of them. I think I only picked up 1. They're basically like $5 a piece. I meant to get 2. I think I put 1 back because I checked out and then I took everything to my cart and I found that there was still 1 in my cart when I came back in the store. After I put everything else in and I was picking up my free stuff and I was like, well, you know, missed the blessing, so I just put it back in the store. I wasn't finna pay for it. I didn't want to pay for it. I was like, well, they didn't scan it when I was buying stuff. So whatever. Missed the blessing when I was out in my car and putting stuff away. It is what it is. So for free, because you spend a certain amount of money at sheltons, I got some magic whips. Got 2 packs of magic whips, because I haven't had magic whips in years. They're not that loud, and they're cool. Then I got 2 boxes of these pool war grenades. They're cool. $2.95 each. They're by, I think, El Toro, Mad Hornet, and like Alien. Stuff like that. Oh, and then we also got some El Toro 1-inch safety fuse crackers. Just your basic little firecrackers, things that you just throw. Those were like $1 some change. Next up, because my girl just wanted some normal Roman candles. I got some 10-ball Roman candles by Black Cat. They're $4.95. Just your basic 10-ball candles. As you can see, I got a lot of Roman candles. I'm liking Roman candles this year. They're nice. Then here we got some Blue Thunders by El Toro. These were $5.95. Just wanted something that pops when you light it. I'm just going through all the candles right now. I got these Roman candles, American candles. I wanted to try these because they're by the founding fathers. I just wanted to try them. These were $3.25. All the stuff I showed you right now is from Sheltons. So yeah. I think this is it for the Roman candles. We got some normal magical Roman candles by Legend, 5 balls. These are $3. I think that's it for the candles. And yeah. So right here we got this multi-barrel launcher. This was 50% off. all these cakes I'm gonna show were 50% off. Alright. Got a pack of zingers, of zippers by Legend. These are basically speedballs, zingers. Get this thing open. Hold on. There we go. Basically just like speedballs or darts, whatever you want to call them. See? Those are bursts. Wow, Legend. And for, you know, a whole pack of those are not bad. Cheap as I've seen, 20 bucks. Usually they're like 50 or something. So I picked that up. We love these little love them. Box. Oh, it ends upward with sparks with report. With report? With report? That's interesting. I didn't see that. I gotta try those. Then we got a tank with report. These were like $6, cheap as I've seen. Oh yeah, I got this little cone. These are like a few, like, yeah, $1. Rainbow fire. And because these are so cool, birdcage surprise. I like these. These are nice. Got another pack of these. And a whole bunch of punks. Next up, we got some Mad Hornets. Got a yellow pack. And I got a black pack. You had to search for these too. Like, these are like hidden in like a trash can. And like, yeah, you had to search for them. So I got these. Got 2 packs of those. Not really sure how much those were. I got a whole bunch of these. I know I have like at least 3 or 4. Train whistle. I didn't think about it. They just took the shit out and even replace it. It says broke. And I was like, yeah. I was like, what? Anyway, I got train whistle. Thinking about attaching a boom boom to it, so you know. Yeah, I was like, make my own little scream. You got strobing fun. These were 79 cents. Got some lotus flowers. These are $3.95. That's some neon morning glories. Never had neon morning glories, so figured why not. Picked up another one of these dancing bulls. We got some Dead Eye Dave's dancing fountains. Basically Jack in the Box. I actually get Jack in the Box, but they cost more where I'm at locally. They're like $8 for the whole pack. Oh, that's like 6. Those sheltons because it's a little bit cheaper. Then we have Mobsters, Whistlers, $5.89. You got some glitter bombs, basically just crackling balls. We got a Loud and Mighty. Remember this from my childhood. Wow, that's really why I picked that up. We got these Fierce Tiger Rockets. I was looking for these the first time I went. Then we got a Matador by Toro. This is a bridal speed demon thing, Chinese thing. This looks like teeth. Got another one of these whistlers, and then Killer Bee. The last thing I got, guys, I got for free because I worked at the Firework store again. Taste My Venom by Legend. And yeah, these were free. Well, it wasn't free. It cost my time. Yeah, Taste My Venom shells. Add to all the other shells I have. But yeah, guys, that's part 4, and I'm gonna go start lighting off some fireworks now. Yeah, guys, have a safe Memorial Day. Keep uploading the videos. Keep them stashes coming. 4th of July is right around the corner. Guys, be safe. Have a good time.